The BMW E33 series, built from 1982 to 1994, is one of the most legendary BMWs ever made. Whether you're into classic car collecting, drifting, or just want a vintage daily driver, this boxy 80s icon still delivers today. But before you buy one, here's everything you need to know. The E30 cemented BMW's reputation as the ultimate driving machine. With sharp, boxy lines, thin pillars, and a driver-focused cockpit, it became the benchmark compact luxury car of the 1980s. Euro models came with slimmer bumpers, while US versions got chunkier safety bumpers, but both look timeless today. This is the car that turned BMW from a niche German brand into a worldwide icon. You could get the E30 with everything from a simple 4-cylinder in the 316 and 318i to smooth inline 6s in the 320i and 325. The 325i was the sweet spot, with about 168 horsepower and strong low-end torque. But the crown jewel was the E30 M3, with its high-revving S14 4-cylinder, pushing up to 192 horsepower in Euro spec. On paper, those numbers don't sound huge today, but behind the wheel, the E30 was light, rear-wheel drive, and incredibly balanced. That's why even base models are fun, and why the M3 became a motorsport legend. The E30 is tough, but there are issues to watch for. Rust is enemy number one, especially on wheel arches, rocker panels, and floor pans. Interiors are another weak spot, with cracked dashboards, almost expected after 30 years. Cooling systems can fail if not maintained, and on 4-cylinder cars, the timing belt must be replaced on schedule, or the engine is gone. The upside is that parts are cheap, widely available, and the E30's simple design makes DIY repairs much easier than modern BMWs. Compared to newer BMWs, the E30 is affordable to own. Routine maintenance like brakes, fluids, and suspension is simple and inexpensive. Aftermarket and OEM parts are everywhere. Insurance is low if you go through a classic car policy, but prices are climbing. A few years ago, you could score a clean 325i coupe for under $5,000. Today, expect closer to $10,000 to $15,000 US dollars, or $13,000 to $20,000 Canadian, depending on condition. And the E30 M3? Collector demand has pushed them into six figures, with rare sport evolutions selling for over $200,000. The E30 has a cult following for a reason. It's raw, engaging, and endlessly customizable. Purists love the stock driving feel. Drifters love them because they're cheap to slide and easy to modify. And collectors chase rare trims like the 325i X all-wheel drive and the M3. The aftermarket is massive, with engine swaps, turbo kits, and suspension upgrades everywhere. Whether you want a stock time capsule or a fully built drift car, the E30 delivers that perfect blend of simplicity and soul. So, should you buy one? If you find a rust-free, well-maintained E30, it's one of the smartest and most rewarding classic car purchases you can make. But don't wait too long. Prices are climbing, and this 1980s legend isn't getting any younger. What's your favorite BMW generation? The E30, the E36, or the modern G20? Drop your answer in the comments. And with all that, what do you think?